Good morning and welcome to Axis Direct Opening Bell, a quick pre-market briefing with key global cues, overnight trends, and market-moving insights to keep you ahead. We'll start with the global markets. Overnight, US markets moved higher as Treasury yields fell for a second straight day and semiconductor stocks rallied. The Dow gained 0.3%, the Nasdaq rose 0.66%, while the S&P 500 added 0.32%. Asian markets are mostly trading in positive territory this morning. South Korea's Kospi was nearly flat, edging up 0.06%. In Japan, the Nikkei was down 0.3%, while the broader Topix gained 0.2%. Meanwhile, Australia's ASX 200 was trading 0.3% higher in early trade. Nifty closed at 24,335 in the previous session, marking a gain of 116 points. The index formed a bullish candle with a lower shadow, indicating buying interest emerging near the 20-day SMA. The index also broke above the falling channel in place since August 3rd, signaling an improvement in the near-term setup. However, a positive follow-through today is essential to confirm the breakout and sustain the upward momentum. For today's session, 24,400 remains the key resistance, and a decisive breakout could push Nifty towards 24,500. On the downside, the 40-day EMA at 24,227 will act as the first line of support, followed by the previous session's low of 24,100. The 24,000 level remains a crucial support zone, and holding above it will keep the broader structure constructive and the near-term bias positive. Benchmark indices staged a late surge to close at intraday highs, supported by falling crude prices, a stronger rupee, and strong FII cash buying of 1,594 crores. The rupee strengthened by 24 paise to 95.46, while monthly FII inflows rose to 27,428 crores. Monthly rollovers were also strong, with Nifty at 77.4% versus 71.8% previously, and Bank Nifty at 79.2% versus 76.3%. Nifty September futures rose 147.6 points in a massive long build-up, with open interest surging 34% to 147.5 lakh shares, adding 37.4 lakh shares. Bank Nifty September futures gained 85.8 points in a parallel long build-up, with open interest rising 37.7% to 20.9 lakh shares, adding 5.7 lakh shares. In the options market, positioning remained put skewed with a 2-to-1 bias. Put hedging and writing were seen at 24,200 alongside call writing at 24,500. This lifted Nifty's PCR from 1.08 to 1.17, while Bank Nifty's PCR declined from 1.26 to 1.18. India's VIX also fell sharply by 3.9% to 11.07. The FII long-short ratio remained stable at 0.11 as index bullish FIs aggressively added futures while unwinding puts. Aggressively bullish proprietary desks bought calls and wrote puts, leaving extremely bearish clients vulnerable to a short squeeze after they dumped futures and calls while accumulating puts. For today, keep 24,100 as the key support level and 24,550 as the major resistance for Nifty. That's it for today. Please note that this podcast is for informational purposes only and should not be considered as financial advice. Please refer to our website for the full disclaimer. Thank you and see you in the next episode. Investments in the securities market are subject to market risks. Read all the related documents carefully before investing.